Do you know that while you're scrolling through social media, someone else is making money online doing things you love, or even easier? Curious? Let me show you exactly how you can turn your internet time into a cash machine. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. Welcome to the update. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. In today's video, explain how you can actually make money online. There are so many opportunities out there, but to save time, I'll highlight just a few of the best and easiest ones for you. Let's dive in. The top 5 ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing your skills. Your money. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or even basic tasks like data entry? Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with people looking for your skills. Don't know where to start? Just create a profile and offer something simple like writing captions or editing photos. Show visuals of Fiverr or Upwork dashboards. Tip: start small, build your ratings, and then charge more for your services. 2. Selling digital products. Create once, earn forever. Ever thought about selling a guide, an ebook, or even a course? You don't need to be a guru to do this. For example, if you know how to cook Nigerian meals, you can create a simple guide and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or even WhatsApp groups. Cut to visuals of a digital product page or simple Canva designs. It's like earning in your sleep, literally. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn by recommending. This is where you get paid for sharing links to products people buy. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Jumia Affiliates make this super easy. Share the link, and every time someone buys through it, you get paid. Show a quick graphic of how affiliate marketing works. Pro tip: post the links in WhatsApp groups, on your Instagram, or in Facebook communities. 4. Online surveys and microtasks. Want something quick? Websites like Swagbucks and Ascents pay you to take surveys, watch ads, or even test websites. It's not a full-time income, but hey, every little bit adds up. Display a mock survey screen with someone earning points. This is perfect for people who want to start with zero skills. 5. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel or blog. If you love talking, teaching, or entertaining, this is your goldmine. YouTube pays creators through ads, and blogs make money through ads and affiliate links. Start by picking a topic you're passionate about, whether it's food, fashion, or even reviewing gadgets. Show visuals of YouTube and ad revenue screenshots for motivation. Consistency is key here, but trust me, this can change your life. Segment 3. Key tips to succeed. Before you start, here's what you need to know. Focus on one method first. Don't try everything at once. Learn as you go. YouTube and Google are your best friends. For free tutorials, be patient. It's not overnight, but it's worth it. Most importantly, don't quit because others are already making it happen. The question is, will you? Alright, that's it. Now, it's your turn to pick one of these methods and start today. Let me know in the comments which one excites you the most. And if you want more in-depth tutorials on any of these, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I've got you covered. Remember, your smartphone isn't just for scrolling, it's for earning too. Let's make that money online together. See you in the next video.